Welcome to your April Take and Make. Today we are going to be making hatching chicks. Included in your bag is 2 white paper plates, a large yellow rectangle, a small orange triangle, 2 orange feathers, 2 googly eyes, and a brad. You also need to provide your own glue stick and scissors. So first we're going to be using our scissors to make some cuts. We are going to cut the yellow rectangle into an oval shape. So you're going to cut off all of your corners. And then we are going to cut a jagged line in our plate. And you want to make sure you're doing it below this little hole that's punched in. That's where we're going to put the brad. You're going to want to cut a jagged line that looks like an egg cracking, like that. So my cuts are made. And now we're ready to assemble our chick. So we're going to put glue on our oval chick. And we're going to stick it to the paper plate that does not have the cut in it. You're going to want to stick it up high like this so that you're going to be able to see it above the bottom part of the egg, and make sure that you're keeping your hole on the bottom left. Now it's time to add our beak. We're going to put a little bit of glue on that. There we go. We can put on our feathers, 1 on each side. And again, you want to make sure you stick them up a little bit higher so that you're going to be able to see them. Very good. And then we're going to put on our eyes. And these are self-sticks. You just have to peel off the backing and they stick right on without glue. There we go. Our chick is all ready. And now we're going to set it aside to dry. Now that our chick is dry, we are going to be adding the hatching egg part. So this top part, we're just going to set on just so we see how it's going to look. And we're going to line up the little dot on the top with this little dot here. And then the bottom part is going to sit down here, and we're going to put some glue on it because this part we don't want to move. So we're going to put glue along this bottom edge. And just, this is the back part of the plate, not the front part where you'd set food if you're using it like a plate. So it's going to have some space in the middle here. So let me put on my glue. And the only reason we're keeping this top part on like this is that we see exactly where we want to put the bottom part. I'm going to put it all along the edge. You could also just put it on the bottom here. And now I'm going to stick it on. Oops. And then press it down along the edge to make sure it sticks. And we can remove this top part for now. And we're going to set this down and let it dry. So the shell is dry, and we're going to add the top part now. So the first thing you're going to do is take your brad and you are going to stick it through the little hole like so. Then you're going to pick up the rest of your egg and you're going to stick the brad through that hole as well. And then you're going to separate the 2 pieces, push one up and push one down like that. And that is what allows our egg to move. And there we go, we're done. There is your hatching chick. You can keep it closed and then show your chick hatching. Now if you want to, you can decorate your egg with crayons or markers and make it more colorful, or you can keep it white just how it is. Thanks for watching.